Namaste class, welcome again. Now here in this lecture we will solve again one paper, and this paper also I have taken from testpapers.com. Topic is trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Now the first problem you can see here, the first problem is find the value of tan 45. So let us write tan 45 degree divided by cosec 30 degree plus sec 60 degree divided by cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree divided by 2 cos 0 degree. Okay, so here we know the value of tan 45, which is 1. Cosec 30, cosec is reciprocal of sine 30 is 1 by 2, so cosec 30 is 2 plus sec 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2, so sec 60 is 2 divided by cot 45 is 1 minus 5 into sin 90 is 1 divided by 2 into cos 0 is 1. So this is 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 5 upon 2. Now 1 by 2 minus 5 upon 2, I will move this minus 5 upon 2 plus 2. Now this 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 1 minus 5 is minus 4 by 2 plus 2, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, so minus 2 plus 2, and finally I will get answer as 0. Second, evaluate A equal to 15 degree. Evaluate when A is 15 degree. So what we have to evaluate? We have to evaluate cos 3A minus 2 cos 4A. So cos 3A minus 2 cos 4A divided by sin 3A plus 2 sin 4A. This is equals to cos 3 into the value of A is 15 degree minus 2 cos 4 into 15 degree divided by sin 3 into 15 degree plus 2 sin 4 into 15 degree. So this is equal to cos 45 degree minus 2 cos 60 degree whole divided by sin 45 degree plus 2 sin 60 degree. Now the value of cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 minus 2 into the value of cos 60. So cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole divided by sin 45 is again 1 upon root 2 minus plus 2 into sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Okay, let us move this. Okay, fine. Now this is equals to 1 upon root 2 minus 2 upon 2 is 1. So 1 upon root 2 minus 1 divided by 1 upon root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon 2. Let me check the question again. Cos 3A minus 2 cos 4A upon sin 3A plus 4 sin 4A. That is fine. Yes. Okay. So we will simplify it further. 1 means 1 upon 1. So it is 1 minus root 2 whole divided by root 2 whole divided by, here we will cross multiply, 2 plus 2 root 3 into root 2 is 2 root 6, and here whole divided by 2 root 2. So this is equals to 1 minus root 2 divided by root 2 into, we will reciprocate it, so it is 2 root 2 divided by 2 plus 2 root 6. So this root 2 and this root 2 will cancel. We will multiply here, or better I will write this as 1 minus root 2 divided by, here I will take 1 minus root 2 into 2, and here I will take 2 common, so it is 1 plus root 6. So this 2 and this 2 I will cancel, and finally I will get 1 minus root 2 divided by 1 plus root 6. So this is our final answer. Second question. Now third question, sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a is equals to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. What is this? We have to find here the value. Acha, if a is equals to 30 degree, then we have to prove. Okay, so let us first erase all these things. Okay, so here if a is equals to 30 degree, then prove that sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a. So we will take left hand side, LHS is equals to sin 2a is equals to sin 2 into 30 degree is equals to sin 60 degree is equals to root 3 upon 2. This is my left hand side, so I will consider this as equation 1. For RHS, RHS is 2 sin a into cos a. So this is equals to 2 into sin 30 degree, a is 30 degree, into cos 30 degree. So 2 into sin 30, you know, value is 1 upon 2, and cos 30 value is root 3 upon 2. So this 2 and 2 will cancel, and final answer is root 3 upon 2. This is right hand side. Now from 1 and 2, we can say from 1 and 2, we can say LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a into cos a. Next I have to prove, next question, if you see, we have to prove that this is equals to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Okay, so it is not correct that I will start with LHS. What I will say? I will say that the value of sin 2a. So better we will start like this. Sin 2a is equals to, here we will start, we will not say RHS, we will say 2 sin a cos a is equals to, we have got this. Now from 1 and 2, at this stage it is not required, because one more value I have to find, that is 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. I hope this is visible. 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. So let us find the value of 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Now this 2 tan a means tan 30 degree, 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So this is 2 into the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 upon root 3. If we square it, we will get 1 upon 3. So this is 2 upon root 3 whole divided by 3 1 the 3 plus 1 4. This is 4 upon 3. So this I will say that is equals to 2 upon root 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. So 2 1 the 2 and 2 to the 4. So this is 3 upon 2 root 3. Now this I will rationalize, I will multiply and divide by root 3. So I will get in numerator 3 root 3 and denominator I will get 2 into 3. Now this 3 and this 3 will cancel and finally I will get root 3 upon 2. Let us consider this as third equation. So if you check equation 1 for sin 2a, we got answer as root 3 upon 2. For 2 sin a cos a, we have got answer as root 3 upon 2, and for 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a, we got answer as root 3 upon 2. So therefore I can say that therefore from 1, 2 and 3 sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a into cos a is equals to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Simple? Yes. Okay. Now in the same way you have to prove that 2 cos square a minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a, and sin 3 is equals to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. I hope you can solve these two problems. Okay. Now calculate the value of a if sec 2a minus 1 into cosec 3a minus 1 is 0. Okay, let us try this question. Okay. What is the question? We have to find the value of a if sec 2a minus 1. So it is given that sec 2a minus 1 into cosec 3a minus 1 is 0. Okay. So this is given and I have to find the value of a. So when the product of two terms is 0, then either this factor will be 0 or this factor will be 0. This is simple. Okay, so I will say that therefore this sec 2a minus 1 is 0, or I will say that this cosec 3a minus 1 is 0. Okay, so therefore I will say that sec 2a is equals to 1, or I will say cosec 3a is equals to 1. Therefore I will reciprocate it, so I will say that therefore cos 2a is equals to 1, or sin 3a is equals to 1. So therefore cos 2a equal to 1 indicates that 2a is equals to 0 degree, because cos 0 is 1. Okay, so therefore 2a is 0 or 0 degree I will say, or 3a is equals to 90 degree. Okay, because sin 90 is 1. You can mention reason here, since cos 0 degree is 1 and sin 90 degree is 1. So therefore the value of A is 0, or value of A is 90 degree divided by 3 is equals to 3 3 is 9, so 30 degree. So value of A we got as 0 degree or 30 degree. Okay, simple question. Yes. Okay, then cos 3a into 2 sin 2a minus 1 equal to 0. So this problem also you do in the same manner. What you do? You will say that cos 3a is here cos 3a into 2 sin 2a minus 1 is 0. So you can say that cos 3a is 0 or 2 sin 2a minus 1 is equals to 0, and then find the value of a. Okay, so cos 3a equal to 0 gives you the value of 3a as 90 degree, that is a as 30 degree, and 2 sin 2a is minus 1 is 0. This gives you 2 sin 2a is equals to 1, that is sin 2a is equals to 1 upon 2. We know that sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2, so 2a is 30 degree and a is 15 degree. Okay, so this is how orally also you can solve and then write them step by step. Okay, okay, fine. Now fifth problem, if 4 sin square theta minus 1 is 0 and theta is less than 90 degree, find the value of theta and hence value of cos square theta plus tan square theta. So your problem number 5, I hope it is visible. If 4 sin square theta minus 1 is 0, so let us write what is given. 4 sin square theta minus 1 is 0. Okay, so therefore I will say that 4 sin square theta 1, therefore I will say that sin square theta is 1 upon 4, therefore I will say that sin theta is 1 upon 2. I will take the square root. Now I have taken only positive square root, I haven't taken negative square root. The reason is that theta is an acute angle. Okay, theta is less than 90 degree. So when your angle is less than 90 degree, all the ratios are positive. Okay, you will study negative ratios also, but in your higher classes. Okay, so here sin theta is equals to half. Now sin theta is equals to half. We know that sin 30 degree is half. So this is equals to sin 30 degree. Therefore the value of theta is 30 degree. So we got the value of theta. Value of theta is 30 degree. Now I have to find the value of cos square theta plus tan square theta. So now I will say, now before that let us erase all these stuffs which are from previous problem. Okay, fine. So now cos square theta plus tan square theta. Now cos square theta plus tan square theta, this will become cos square 30 degree plus tan square 30 degree. Now cos square 30 degree, cos 30 is cos 30 it is root 3 upon 2. So this is root 3 upon 2 the whole square, plus tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So this is 1 upon root 3 the whole square. Now when I square, I will get here 3 upon 4 plus here I will get 1 upon 3. Now I will cross multiply. 3 is the 9 plus 4 into 1 4 divided by 4 3 is the 12. So 9 plus 4 13. So this is 13 upon 12. So the value of cos square theta plus tan square theta is 13 upon 12. Now the sixth problem, from the given figure find the value of 1 upon tan square x degree minus 1 upon sin square x degree. Okay, so first using Pythagoras theorem, it is better that we will find the value of hypotenuse, opposite side we will find the value of y. So here using Pythagoras theorem, I will say, so using Pythagoras theorem, we get y square plus 10 square equal to 20 square. So therefore we get y square is equals to 400 minus 100, which is 300. 300 means 3 into 100, right? Why I am writing this? Because this will help me to get the value of y, which is root 3 into 10. Okay, we take square root of 3 and 100. So this we can write as 10 root 3. So in this triangle we get the value of y, which is equals to 10 root 3. Now the value of, we have to find the value of 1 upon tan square x minus 1 upon sin square x. So therefore I will say that 1 upon tan square x minus 1 upon sin square x is equals to, so when I say tan x, it is 10 root 3 upon 10. So it is 1 upon, here I will write 10 root 3 upon 10 the whole square minus 1 upon, when I say sin x, it is 10 root 3 divided by 20 the whole square. So this is equals to 1 upon, here this 10 and 10 will cancel, and root 3 square is 3 minus 1 upon, here this 10 and this 20 will cancel, here I will have 1 upon 2. So when I square, I will get 3 upon 4. So this is written as 1 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3. Okay, when you have denominator as 3 upon 4, you can move this 4 in the numerator. 1 divided by 3 upon 4 is 1 into 4 upon 3. So this gives you 1 minus 4 whole divided by 3, that is minus 3 divided by 3. Now what is minus 3 divided by 3? Minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1. So the answer for this problem, 1 upon tan square x minus 1 upon sin square x, is minus 1. Okay. Now 7th question, if 4 cos square x is equals to 3, x is an acute angle, find cos 3x and sin 2x. So that means I have to first find the value of x here. So let us write first what is given. It is given that 4 cos square x, so 4 times cos square x is equals to 3 given, and I have to find the value of cos 3x. So before that we first calculate the value of x. So here cos square x, from this I will get cos square x is equals to 3 upon 4. This implies that cos x is equals to, I will take square root on both the sides, so this become root 3 upon 2. Now root 3 upon 2 is the value of cos 30 degree. So from here I will get the value of x as 30 degree. Now I will calculate easily. First I have to calculate cos 3x. So now first cos 3x is equals to cos 3 into 30 is 90 degree and cos 90 degree is 0, and sin 2x. Next I have to find the value of sin 2x. So I will say the value of sin 2x, second question, the value of sin 2x is equals to sin 2 into 30 degree is equals to sin 60 degree is equals to, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. So we got the value of cos 3x and sin 2x. Very simple. Yes. Now 8th problem, we have to find cos 2 into 30 degree. We have to prove, I think, cos 2 into 30 degree is equals to 1 minus tan square 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay, so let us solve LHS and RHS. Okay, here problem they have not written properly, but we understood what is asked. We have to prove whether left hand side is equal to right hand side, that we have to check. So our LHS, we will start with LHS. So left hand side is equals to cos 2 into 30 degree. So this is cos 60 degree, and the value of cos 60 degree is root 3 divided by cos 60, sorry, this is not root 3 divided by 2, this is 1 by 2. Okay, so consider this is equation 1, and then right hand side we will solve RHS. RHS is 1 minus tan square 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay, so here 1 minus tan square 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree, this value I need to calculate. So this is equals to, I will say that this is equal to 1 minus tan 30, value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, so it becomes 1 upon root 3 the whole square, 1 minus, and here it is 1 plus 1 upon root 3 the whole square. So this gives me 1 minus 1 upon 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 upon 3, and here I will get 3 minus 1 upon 3 whole divided by 3 plus 1 upon 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 upon 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 upon 3. Now this denominator 3 will cancel, and I have 2 divided by 4. Now the value of 2 divided by 4 is 1 divided by 2. So my RHS is 1 divided by 2 and LHS is also 1 by 2. So I will say that from 1 and 2, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore LHS is cos 2 into 60 degree. So therefore cos 2 into 60 degree is equals to 1 minus tan square 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay, now let us check if this is the last sum or we have any other question. So this 8th question is the last question. They have given answers, I haven't checked their solutions. Okay, whatever we have done is all correct. If there is any mistake, you can comment, or if you have not understood, then also you can comment, and if you understood everything, then like my video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.